Hello viewers, today I was telling about how to fix Instagram filters are not working. If Instagram filters are not working, we have two problems. So first of all, you need to go to Play Store, and here you need to type on Instagram. If you not update me, just update and come back and go to Instagram account and open the profile and click on three horizontal lines and go to settings and privacy. Scroll it down. Here we have a symbol of help. Click on that and we need to report a problem. It is what is that? Include continue, and the report a problem is the emojis are not working, right? The emojis are not working, emojis and the filters are not working. Filters are not working. And report a problem, processing your logs, and it will report the problem. After 24 hours it will send a link. The problem will be sorted out. Thank you.